Hi guys, it's the end of the month and this was by far my most productive month yet. I want to show you a few things that I did this month. This is all I did, plus this one. First model that I did was this Captain Marvel, and special thing about it is that this was my first female model and it turned out decent. It's printed with Filamentum gold heavens. After that I did Kane from Alien. Also it's printed with Filamentum Noble Blue. I really like this color. After that I did this Bane bust. It was busted by me and I can actually see some kind of progress in my sculpting skill, let's say it like that. This one was printed with Prusament, some kind of mouse, pearl mouse I think. Also I did Terminator version when he's inside the lava. I did multi-material version of the same one and I think it looks really nice. I know people are asking for purge block, so here it is. It's heavy. And the last model I did was Two-Face, also printed with Filamentum Noble Blue. I will show you how I did it in a second. Did one version, I'm still testing this one, where you can just split it in two colors and print it like that. This was just a quick test. And the final model that's gonna be available for my Patreons next month is this Cyclops. It's gonna have different options for the eyes, for the beams. I'm still testing that one. But I'm really happy with it and it doesn't need any support, so it's pretty cool. That's it. As always, I really hope you guys like this video. If you did, please hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed already, please do that and hit that bell next to it so you can get notified whenever I'm releasing a new video. I want to say thank you to my camera guy today. Thank you, Leonard. And yes. See you next time. Bye.